Excellency, please, thank you very much, please. Your Excellency, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Muhammad Buhari, GCFR, Your Excellency, the wife of the President of Nigeria, Hajia Aisha Buhari, the President of the Senate, Distinguished Senator Ahmed Lawan, the Speaker of the House of Representatives, the Right Honorable Femi Gbajabiamila, the National Chairman of our great party, the APC, Senator Abdullahi Adamu, leaders of our great party, the APC, members of the National Working Committee of our great party, leaders of our party, members of our party, distinguished guests, all of our young people, ladies and gentlemen, the greatest of the greatest Nigerian youth. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. First, let me begin on a solemn note. I join you and the good people of Ondo State in mourning the victims, men, women, and children of the heinous and dastardly terrorist act that took place at the St. Francis Catholic Church in Norway, and other victims of terrorism across the country. And I pray that the Lord God Almighty will comfort their families, and that we will never see a repeat of these heinous acts in our nation again. I'm deeply honored to stand before you today and to share this platform with 22 other exceptional members of our great party who today vie for the preferment of the presidential candidate of our great party, the APC. Like most of us here, I am a Nigerian. I was born here. My parents were born here. I went to primary, secondary school, and university here. I have worked here all my life. This country has afforded me most of the education and opportunities and the worldview that I have. I have seen and experienced the great prospects of Nigeria. I know that it is possible for us to have a world-class educational system. It is possible to have a world-class healthcare system for all Nigerians. It is possible to establish a tech economy here in Nigeria. It is possible to establish a bitumen processing industry in Ondo, gold processing in Zamfara and Osun, and exploit and process the finest precious metals and stones in the world, in Benue, in Plateau, and most of the north central states. We can exploit oil and gas. Everything we can imagine or dream is within our reach. Everything. All that is left is for us to make the right decision tonight. And so we stand today on the threshold of history. To paraphrase Winston Churchill, so much depends on so few of us. 2,322 delegates will decide the future of our children and their own children. 2,322 persons will decide the fortunes of Africa's largest economy and the largest population of black people on earth. 2,322 people. What an awesome responsibility. What an incredible moral burden. The future of our children compels us and compels all of you, our distinguished delegates, to vote right tonight. We are a religious nation. We believe in the power of prayer.